Hello, and welcome to Higher Origins Tutorials. My name's Daniel, and today I'll be showing you how to place an order via a menu that someone has sent you. So, we're currently looking at the age verification screen that you'll see when you first open a menu. So, here we want to confirm our age. Now it wants us to enter a license number for a valid California state cannabis license. This is just an extra verification step, so let's paste one of those in here and click Submit. Now, here we are. This is the menu that someone has sent you because they want you to buy their products. So looking at this menu, we can see the products they have for sale, title, category, quantity, and the price per each. We also can go to the public page for the farm. Thanks. So, looking at this menu, we can see the products that they have for sale. The category, price, and the quantity are all listed for each one. So, let's go into the details for one of these products, and we can see a little bit more information about it. So, if we've decided that we want to buy some of this, we can enter a quantity of what we want to buy here. Now, here's the offer price. Let's say that we think that this product is a little expensive at $15, so maybe we want to knock a dollar off and offer $14. This is optional. We can pay the full price if we want, but this will basically let the seller know that we want to negotiate and show them where we're willing to start the negotiation at. We can also add a message here. There, a little message always helps to get the negotiations going. So, now that that's all filled in, we can add this to our order. So it confirms that it's been added to our order. Let's say we want to add something else. We can go back to all products on the menu up here and go to one of the other menu items and add that too if we wanted. Cool, so now we've added two different menu items to our order. So now we're going to go to manage our order. So this shows all of the items that we've added to our order. Looking at this, you can see all of our line items here, and you can adjust the values and quantities here. So if you're happy with your order, let's go ahead, review, and submit it. Now, here's where you have to enter your buyer details. If you have a Higher Origins account, this information will already be attached to the order, so you won't have to fill this out. But if you're ordering from the public side without logging in, you will have to enter this information so they know who's ordering from them. So I've gone ahead and entered in all that information here. I just skipped ahead so you didn't have to watch me type. So now that that's all complete, let's submit our order. And just like that, you've submitted your order. So this will send an email directly to the seller to let them know that you've placed an order, and they will get in touch with you as soon as possible to continue the transaction. So just to show you exactly what happens when an order gets submitted from the seller's side, this is what the email that they get will look like. It'll tell them when they got it, when it expires, so 3 days from the time of submission, how many items, what the total was, and then it will prompt them to log into their Higher Origins account to view the exact order. So let's do that. So this is the screen that the seller will see when they receive your order. Here you can see all the information that you entered, your welcome message, license, name, phone, email, etc., as well as the line items, quantities, and messages for each of those line items. This is the screen from which the seller will approve, deny, or change the status of this order. So just giving you a little idea of what's happening on the opposite side of the transaction when you submit an order. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for sticking around, and I look forward to showing you the next one. Have a good day. Bye.